Hello everyone! Today we'll be demonstrating how to use our edible fabric sheets to create edible lace. You're going to need our edible fabric sheets. You can find these in our online store. They come in various colors to fit all your decorating needs. You'll also need a silicone mold, a bowl of water, and a spatula. The first step, if needed, is to cut the fabric sheets with food-grade scissors or knife to fit your mold. Here we have already pre-cut our sheet. Secondly, you want to dip your strip of edible fabric icing sheet into your water. This should only be for a second, as leaving your sheet in water too long will cause it to disintegrate. Lastly, place your wet edible fabric icing sheet onto your mold and using your spatula, begin spreading the icing to fill your mold. Once you have completely filled your mold with the edible fabric icing sheet, let it sit out overnight to allow the edible lace to dry. Store the remaining edible fabric sheets in their original packaging. Thank you for watching. Happy decorating!